Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your daily to-do list? Picture this. What if AI didn't just help you but actually anticipated your needs, took care of the busy work, and let you focus on what really matters? Today, I'm diving into how AI tools are shaking up productivity and how you can get in on the action, starting right now. Let's face it, the old productivity hacks, sticky notes, planners, endless to-do apps, they're just not cutting it anymore. In fact, sometimes they just make us busier, not better. The real problem? Most methods keep us shuffling tasks instead of getting the important stuff done. That's the productivity paradox. We look busy, but our impact doesn't always match up. And then there's the mental toll. Ever feel fried just deciding what to tackle next? That's decision fatigue, and it's a silent productivity killer. Constantly juggling emails, reminders, and notifications, it's exhausting. But here's where things get exciting. AI-powered tools are a game changer. Imagine an assistant that sorts your inbox, schedules your meetings, and even suggests the best time to tackle your toughest projects, before you even ask. Tools like Notion AI, Motion, and Otter can summarize meetings, automate follow-ups, and help you build workflows that adapt to your style, not the other way around. The best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to use these tools. Start small, let AI handle your calendar, or auto-generate meeting notes. Gradually, you'll notice stress levels drop, and your focus shift to the high-impact work only you can do. So, if you want to break free from the cycle of endless busyness, give these AI tools a shot. Unlock the next level of productivity, and finally get ahead, not just caught up. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, stick around. There's more where that came from.